Namaskaram. I am going to take a topic called liquid. It's called Neer in Tamil. There are different types of liquids. This special topic which is available in Tamil. Normally you would not come in a dictionary also. See, there are different types of Neer. It's a very peculiar and interesting topic. So first, liquid means we say Neer. N-E-R. I have written this Tamil. Neer is common liquid. For water, we say Tanneer. The in ni Tanneer. The in ni Tanneer. And for drinking water, we should say Kudineer. It's a filtered water from corporation. It's called Kudineer. 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 Kudi means not to drink. Kudineer, drinking water. And normally, when in the south, you find that the municipal corporation they write that Kudineer Vasadi Sejappadam means we make facility for drinking water. Kudineer means drinking water. Ordinary water we say Tanneer. Neer means it could be any liquid, but water means Tanneer, and then Kudineer is drinking water. And third one is tears. Tears means Kanneer. Kan means eye. So the tears which is coming from eye is called Kanneer. Ka-in-neer, Kanneer. And repeating once again, for liquid we say Neer, for water we say Tanneer, and for drinking water we say Kudineer. And for tears coming from eyes we say Kanneer. Let's see some other types of water. For salt water, in Tamil we say Uppu means salt. So Uppu Neer. Uppu Neer. Uppu means salt. So for salt water we say Uppu Neer. Uppu Neer. And for turmeric water, it's called Manjal Neer. Ma-in-cha-il Neer. Manjal Neer. Then for tamarind water, we normally use it for cooking. Tamarind water. For tamarind we say Puli. So it's called Puli Neer. Puli Neer. Puli Neer. Puli Neer. And we consume tea, that liquid, that tea is called Te Neer. It looks like Te. Te Neer. Te Neer. Te Neer means tea. Then comes canal water. It's called Kanal Neer. Kanal means canal. Kanal Neer. So I'm repeating once again. And for urine, it's called Chirineer. Chi-ru-ni-er. Chirineer means urine. So I'm repeating once again. For tamarind water, it's called Pulineer. Pu-li-ni-er. Pulineer. And for tea, we say Te Neer. Te Neer. Then for canal water we say Kanal Neer. Ka-na-il. Kanal Neer. And for urine we say Chirineer. Chi-ru-ni-er. Chirineer. And for salivary juice, which is coming from saliva, our mouth, that is called Umirneer. Umirneer means Umirneer means saliva. Umirneer. Then comes rose water. For rose water, we say Panneer. Panneer means rose water. They normally in the marriage they sprinkle that. Any function they sprinkle that rose water. And here the black bait means when somebody gets pittam, you get vomit, and that's called pittam. It gives us due to gas or it creates a problem due to the liver problem. So it's called Pittanir. 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 It's called black bale in English. Then buttermilk. You know buttermilk. It's called more neer. Morenner in English. In Tamil it's written like this. More neer. I am repeating once again. For saliva it's called umilnir. And for rose water it's called pannir. For black bale it's called pittanir. And for buttermilk it's called more neer. In between it's wisdom. I have not taken rainwater. For rainwater, we say Malai neer. Malai neer. Then for sea water, it is called Kadal neer. Kadal means sea. Kadal neer. So repeating once again, for salt water is called Uppunir. Uppunir. For turmeric water is called Manjal neer. Manjal neer. Then for rainwater is called Malai neer. Then for sea water it is called Kadal neer. Kadal neer. For river, there are two names in Tamil. We say Aatru neer means river. Aatru neer means river. And another name is called Iru neer because when the two tributaries join together, Iru means two. So when two join together, it's called Iru neer. That's also river only. Iru neer. So river has got two names. Aatru neer and also Iru neer. Written in English Aatruner. Aatru neer and Iru neer Iruner. Then comes palmyra juice. Palmyra fruit juice. It's called Padanir. Padanir. It is called as a Neera. The government has taken a permission to extract that Padanir as a Neera. They sell it as a Neera. Then so it's called Padanir. The fresh Padanir is always good for the health, and you can find in southern belt where the Padanir is given the small leaf. They serve it in the leaf, and raw one is normally consumed by people for strength. And this sweat means perspiration. SWEAT are written. It's called Viyarvai in Tamil. Viyarvai. English written VIYARVAINER. So Tamil is written Viyarvai. I repeat once again, for river there are two names, Aatru neer and Iru neer. And for palmyra juice it's called Padanir. And for sweat, that's called perspiration, we say Viyarvai neer. Viyarvai. And in the field, agricultural field, for harvesting, we use that water from one water. That's called Vail neer. Vail means agriculture, paddy. Vail neer. VAYALNER. They are written in Tamil like this. Vail near, vial near, harvest water. Then comes hot water, garam pani, hot water. It's called Venneer. Ve in ni Venneer. 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 It's called Venneer. And then holy ash, holy water, not holy ash, so holy water, we say Bemnir. See, there's a difference. Here Venneer means hot water, this is Bemnir. Bem means white. When we appear this basmam or with the water and apply, smear on our head, it becomes white. It's called Bemnir. That's why it's called Bemnir. Ve-im-nir. These two are different, you don't get confused. Venneer means hot water. Bemnir means holy water, that is holy ash. And then for cold water, we say Kulir Neer, Kulir Neer. Kulir Neer means cold water. I am repeating once again. Harvest water we say vial neer, vial neer. And for hot water we say Venneer. See, you will find that this na in is used. Why it is used here? We can write in also. But here Benda neer, the full abbreviation is Benda means which we are boiling it up. That's called Vegard. So Benda neer is Venneer. And then holy as water, it's called Bemnir. Bemnir. Then comes cold water. For cold water we say Kulir Neer. Kulir Neer. And anything, this gutter water, we say Chakadai. Cha, ik, ka, dai. Chakadai means gutter water. Drainage water and gutter water. Cha, ik, ka, dai, neer. Chakadai neer. A gutter water or a drainage water. It's called Chakadai neer. Then Ganges water. For Ganges water we say Gangai neer. Ka-in-gai neer. Gangai neer. G-A-N-G-A-I-N-E-R. So Gangai neer. Ka-in-gai neer. Then for ice we say Pani. Pani neer. For ice, we say pani neer. So for ice, we say pani neer. Pa-ni-neer. Pani neer means ice. I am repeating once again. For gutter or drainage water, it's called Chakadai. Cha-ik-ka-dai neer. Then for Ganges water we say Gangai neer, Ga-in-gai neer. Then for ice we say Pani neer. Pani, snow means ice. Pani neer. Then comes washed water. Anything we rinse the rice and then after filtering that water, anything or washed away water is called Kadunir. So Kadunir, washed water. It's called Kadunir. And then comes holy water, which you do Abhishekam and all. That's called Abhishekani. Abhishekani is holy water, which is used in the temples and then sprinkled to people gave. Then see, there is other one called tears of joy. Whenever there is a joy, there's a secret in our eyes. I already told you in the last lecture that the tears which is coming out of joy, it's a sweet liquid flowing from this sideways. Whereas when we are in a sad mode, the tears, the salty liquid oozing from this near the nose. That is one of the secret of our eyes, created by God. So joy, we say Ananda Kannir. Ananda means when you are in a happy mood, it's called Ananda na in the Kannir. Ananda Kannir. Kannir means tears. Written in English, Ananda Kannir. I am repeating once again. Washed water is called Karunir. Karunir. And for holy water, we say Abhishekanir. Abhishekanir. And tear of joy. Tears of joy is called Ananda Kannir. Ananda Kannir. The next one, 29th, is tears of sorrow. Tears of sorrow, we say Soganir. I have written Tamil. Soganir. Soganir means tear of sorrow. When somebody is sad, the tears, salty tears flow through the near the nose. Then comes crocodile tears. Crocodile tears means, there is a saying, always somebody pretends like the crocodile in the eyes, we always find some liquid, tears. So we feel that it is crying. It is not crying. So in the same way, it's called Mudalai. Mudalai means crocodile, tears. So see, Mudalai Kannir. Mudalai Kannir. It's called Mudalai Kannir. Kannir means tears. I already told you. So the topics, all the things over now. It means